Lumberjacks cut down half a continent of trees, and while they were at it, they chopped a few phrases into the language too. Here are 8 idioms from logging. Number 1, a log jam. One log turns sideways in the river, and 10,000 logs stop behind it. A log jam is everything stuck behind one single blockage. Number 2, Skid Row. Skid Road was the muddy street where loggers hauled timber and where the down and out gathered. Skid Row came to mean the roughest part of town. Number 3, haywire. Cheap baling wire fixed everything in camp, boots, machines, teeth, badly. When something goes haywire, it goes completely, springs flying wrong. Number 4, a widowmaker. A dead branch hanging silently overhead, waiting for one gust. Loggers called it a widowmaker, a hidden danger that gives no warning at all. Number 5, clear cut. After the crew finishes a hillside, there is no mystery left. Just stumps and sky. Clear cut means absolutely obvious, no room for debate. Number 6, deadwood. Dead branches burn no fuel, grow no leaves, and still take up space on the tree. Deadwood means the useless weight an operation keeps carrying anyway. Number 7, out on a limb. The best apples hang past the safe part of the branch. Going out on a limb means taking an exposed, risky position where support is thin and the drop is real. Number 8, knock on every tree. The best timber does not announce itself. You walk the woods and test trunk after trunk. Knocking on every tree means leaving nothing untried. And that is 8 idioms from logging. Timber, sorry, had to. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you learn something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.